No, actually.
How's it look? I'm making you a meal. You're gonna eat it too, and you're gonna enjoy it. Do I look like Rihanna? Hello everyone, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome to spooky season. Today, I am showing you my Halloween costume, the horror. I have such a long day today, so I have plans to go over to Remy's house. I've been unpacking a little bit today, and I have like this major event I'm going to, and I also need to take this mask off. It's literally cracking and drying. But anyways, so I've been unpacking my apartment completely, pretty much almost everything out of the boxes. There's just trash and cardboard everywhere. I just need to make a few rounds to just go dump all of that. Today's just not gonna be that day. Comment down below if during moving you're the type of person to just like unpack everything and do everything the first day, or does it take you several months? Because I feel like I'm one of those people where it takes me a little bit to, you know, get everything done. But anyways, the kitchen is mostly unpacked. Everything's out of place, and you can see like the boxes and trash over here. Alright, so not sure how I want to lay out everything, but I have my air fryer there and my kettle. I have like a lot of other kitchen gadgets, so I'm like, do I put the blender here and rearrange? I don't know yet. There's a lot of space to work with. Oh, this candle's a little tunneled. A little ambiance for the morning. Okay, today is a little extra special. I have not done a get ready with me in quite some time, and my get ready with me's are a little chaotic, a little pizzazz. But today is an extra special get ready with me. Today's get ready with me is sponsored by Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. A round of applause is needed. As you guys already know, I am a mega stan when it comes to Rihanna. I love her music, her fashion, her makeup, her skincare. When Fenty Beauty reached out to me, I was fangirling because I am such a stan. And I have used their products for quite literally years. The look I'm creating is called the Fenty Phase. You guys know me, I love full coverage, so I started off with a little layer of concealer just to get started before the foundation. I like a good thick coverage. I like to, you know, diffuse the discoloration on my face. So of course, I started off with the Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Concealer, and I am in shade 240, which is a pretty dang good match for me personally. Step one of the Fenty Face, of course, we're gonna use the Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Liquid Longwear Foundation, and I am in shade 260. So we're gonna shake her up a little bit. Everything good in life has to be shaken up a little bit sometimes. I actually watched this girl on their page, and she literally just used her fingers and just applied it, and it was the most beautiful application straight away. You could honestly just use your fingers. This is so good. I also like to use the Fenty tools, so I love this foundation brush. I've been literally using it, so she's well used. We're like halfway done. How fast was that? By the way, while you're watching this, you can shop these Fenty Beauty favorites of mine. You guys always compliment how smooth and beautiful my skin is. My secret is definitely my foundation. So I personally like to dab dots, but that finger technique worked really good, so I would probably use that if I was in a rush. Ironically enough, later today, I got invited to a Fenty Beauty event, so of course, I'm gonna have to wear my Fenty Beauty to the Fenty Beauty event, because what if Miss Rihanna is there? Usually she's at the Fenty Beauty event, so I'm super hyped if I get to see her or even just breathe the same air as her. I am going to go ahead and dab the rest of this foundation on my face. I have kind of a long day today. It's been hot, it's been freezing cold, it's been a heat wave, and I know like this foundation will last me throughout like sweating or honestly like freezing to death. Oh, by the way, the Fenty sponge is also amazing. Look at how diffused and poreless my skin looks. I look like a perfect little egg now. Can we just talk about this shade range alone in the Pro Filt'r? It's always been kind of hard for me to find a perfect match for myself. Just a quick side note, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching me and supporting me. Without you guys, I wouldn't even be getting opportunities like this, let alone working with these major brands. So just a moment of gratitude and appreciation for you guys. I love you guys so much. So thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. And because of you, I get to breathe the same air as Miss Rihanna. I can't wait to bring you guys along. This event is gonna be so fun. Pro tip, I like to bring the foundation down and to my ears because we just gotta make sure it's all the same. So I just cleaned off the excess foundation. I'm already ready to step out the door, truly. So the next step is contour. So I am using the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Amber. What is so cool about this color is it looks like more of a shadow rather than like a really harsh dark contour. Sometimes I like to not be a barbarian and I'll use like a little brush. We're gonna sculpt the jawline. Hide those 10 cookies I ate over the weekend. All right, we are nice and snatched. The next step in the Fenty face is blotting / setting powder. So I like to use the Invisimatte Instant Setting and Blotting Powder. Look at the difference. You see how shiny that is? Look how set and pretty that looks. So we are pretty much ready to go. This is where I would usually stop. But the last step of the Fenty face is the gloss bomb. So I don't usually wear any colored glosses or anything, but this one in Ice, it is so good. It makes your lips look fuller and it's not sticky. And that is it for the Fenty face. What do you guys think? Do I look like Rihanna? So I'm going to be wearing this for the rest of the day. So I'm going to give you guys an honest review and show you guys how it's wearing throughout the day. I am starving. Literally a few days ago, Remy made me this amazing pasta. She sent me like the exact real recipe. When I tell you, I was like, what is a shallot? She literally had to explain to me like word for word what everything was and what to get. Also didn't even know what heavy cream was. Embarrassing, I know, but I am not a chef. I am actually far from one. In fact, I should not even be allowed to have a kitchen in my apartment. Not me buying a single shallot. Oh wait, this is a garlic. Wait, no, this is the shallot. So I feel like I just needed one, but I got two just in case. I'm assuming I peel these and get to this orange or this little purple part. Also, I hate chopping. If this came pre-chopped, I would have been so happy. This is so funny. We're cooking together. We're besties. I'm making you a meal. You're gonna eat it too, and you're gonna enjoy it. If you don't enjoy it, I'm gonna be really sad. Should we start chopping? Should I chop like this? Oops. Okay, please don't chop like that. If you know, you know. It was a meme. So we're gonna... Oh, this knife is actually pretty good. I'm cutting like the ugly parts off of it. Ooh, it smells pretty good. Not sure if this is considered minced. Remy, please send help. That seems minced, right, y'all? Kinda just wanna hurry up at this point. I'm hungry. This to me seems minced. Do we agree? My eyes are starting to water. This is not good. Since I'm a vampire, I don't normally use garlic. This is a rare occurrence. Time to chop her up. That was a good chop. I'm so impressed. Like, really good. Not sure if she's lying to me. These kind of look like little bananas, don't they? I don't get how people have the patience to cook anything. This is as good as we're gonna get here. First, you have to boil some rigatoni. This will go for about like 12 minutes. I added some sea salt to it. She looks nice and delicious. She's being boiled. When I was pouring in the pasta, it splashed a little bit of water everywhere. So just ignore that. Pretend this is a beautiful aesthetic shot of me cooking. Just me and my cooking era. What just happened? Remy, help! Y'all, the pasta is done, besides that boiling accident. I know I should be put away for this comment I'm about to make, but please don't judge me. But I love plain pasta sometimes. This is delicious to me. It's like a reward. Not sure why I can't even handle boiling some water without it turning into a disaster. All right, we measured out 2 tablespoons of butter. This is actually a lot of butter. Now that she's melted, we're gonna stir this for 4 to 5 minutes. All right, we are adding about half a cup of tomato paste, and then you're gonna let this cook for another 5 minutes, and you're gonna stir her well. All right, we are adding a little bit of vodka, about 2 tablespoons. That seemed like a light pour. Let's add some more. 2 shots of vodka. That was a little too much. Let's add. That's good. I can smell the regret in this pasta. So weird. Red pepper flakes on, oh no, not me getting it everywhere, but my meal. We're adding in the 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Oh, that looks kind of weird. And then adding some pasta water. The same amount of pasta water. Ooh, not me spilling again. All right. I believe we have our concoction. Ooh, this looks good. Maybe I might have done something. Cooking with Remy, watch out. We have a new chef in town. One that isn't afraid to damage his kitchen. I'm always gonna add more cheese than necessary. The grand finale. Now we mix it all together. And also, I literally need to clean my kitchen already. I made such a mess making this. Look at the cheese. This looks great. If you guys want some, just, you know, DM me your address. Oh, one just fell on the floor. Let's pretend that didn't happen. Okay, so the Fenty Beauty has stayed and laid so beautifully. Like, look at my skin. So I'm actually heading over to Remy's house to hang out for a little bit. Ironically enough, I was invited to a Fenty Beauty event tonight. So I'm gonna bring you guys with me and show you guys what it's like. A little commotion for the skin. Hi, Miss Remy. What do we think of my face?
No, actually,
how's it look?
His skin looks amazing. Do you see that? It looks so good. It looks like smooth, like he has a filter on, which makes sense. Pro filter.
Weird.
It looks really good, honestly. Thank you for watching this. I've gone through almost, I think,
here's her pitch.
On my 4th Sunstalker Caramel Cutie Bronzer. I will go grab it if you'd like to see me hit pan. Feel free to send some of those over. Thank you.
Fenty Beauty by Rihanna.
Love
Mama.
You. Oh. Mama also loves.
I'll check in later and see how it's holding up.
My address is no,
She's lost it. Oh.
Beg.
I left Remy's and I finally made it to the Fenty event. I'm actually walking up now. I am so excited. And the Fenty face is holding up pretty nicely. Not me literally walking past it like 6 times. Time to finally go in. All black for Rihanna. So I walked in and they had a cute little red carpet and bar area, and then I immediately got in line to get color matched. They had photos of Miss Rihanna everywhere. It was simply iconic. And then I got the new perfume and they engraved my name on it. How cool. We're gonna have the clip. No free feet.